start live. هيا صاحبك، هيا صاحبك، هيا لايف بالله، هيا
هي ما شاء الله.
Hello, this is your boy Coach Blue FOREX, and today I'm going to share with you my weekly setups. I'm going to go through all my FOREX pairs. If I look briefly, we have a lot of work to do. I will be analyzing all this. Hopefully I will analyze and show you where I want the price to come and look for signals for the upcoming week. So hopefully I will be able to finish all this. If not, I will do two parts, part 1 and part 2, but I believe I can do it, so I don't want to waste any more time. Please, if you are new here, if you are watching this live stream, or if you are watching on later on, please make sure to subscribe and comment, and also stay with us, because I will be doing daily live streams, and I will be sharing my weekly setups on Saturday and Sunday, and also I will be sharing with you my daily signals every day. Every day I will be go live for 2 to 3 hours, so please make sure to subscribe. So let us go to daily. We don't have no time. I'm not here to entertain, I'm here to share weekly setups. If you go to daily setups, you can see Euro USD is almost reaching this important level. But before that, if we come to 4 hour, it's a quite miss last week. If you are following me, last week I took this trade here, I made 91 bips. That was last week trade, so now it does not matter anymore. So I believe this level is not anymore valid. It's have been taken out. That you can see it's fake out. So this week I will be having this line, so I will be expecting if the market break this line retest, I will be looking to short it, or if the market continue rallying up, something like this, and it comes here, I will be trying to sell. So that's the two scenario I'm looking for this for upcoming week. So let me hopefully I will get entry from this. If not, I will get entry from other pairs. So I'm not going to force any trade. I'm not going to force any trade. We always have a plan. We need to follow our plan. But as we can see, Euro USD has been uptrend for a long time. You can see, I believe we have been uptrend for a long time. So we believe the downtrend will start soon. So we need to be early in that downtrend. We need to be very early. We know we want to catch this trend very early. So hopefully we will see how the market play out next week. So stay tuned. And if I get any signals, I will be sharing with my Telegram community. So make sure to join my Telegram. So we need to move to next pair. Okay, this is AUD USD. Let us go to daily and we see what's happening. As you can see, Euro AUD is a clean double bottom formation. If we go to 4 now, you can see the market respected this level last week. It was last week. So let me relay this now. What we are waiting for is we are waiting for two scenarios. The first scenario is that the market breaking this level. Then we are going to look for the sell, because this market is a sell trend. That's what we are looking. If this happens, we will definitely look for a setup. If not, we will also look for a setup in this zone for another sell. That's what we are looking, another sell. I don't see no buying opportunity in this market condition. As we can all see, nowhere. The buy was here. We will see, but this is the two scenario I'm waiting. They are both sell, like this. This is the two area I will be interested for the coming week. This these two area, sell here, sell below this level. If we try to buy, I don't see no buying opportunity in this market. I have to be honest with you. All I see is sell. So let us move to next pair. This trade I took last week, excellent trade, as you can see. But last week does not matter. We are in this week. So as I always say, past result does not guarantee future success. So this is a very important quote. I believe all of you will practice this. What does that means? That what happened last week does not matter this week. So it's the past. Let us forget. So now the market, the price, you can see I sold here last week. Now what we have? What we have now? I believe this is a sell trend. The sell will continue. But what we want is that the market to do this. The market at least to come here again to this level, then we can sell. That's the best scenario we can see if we get. And there is also, if we look closely here, there is a level here, some support. So we will see how the market reacts in this support level. Small zone is a small zone, but our target will be around this level. If the price goes up, so this is a sell. That's what I see. All. Let me be very simple now. All I'm seeing that the market, the price coming here, so I can short. That's the first scenario. So I don't want to complicate stuff. So, and I will be updating this trade on the weekdays, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, could be Monday, any, because the market, you never know, the price can simply fly here, and by Monday the price could be here. Who knows? As we know. So any updates I will be updating, but as we see, this is the best zone to see some kind of rejection or reaction, whatever you call it. So we will look in here for any opportunity we see. So I'm not simply, and also when the price comes here, I'm not simply buying. I still have more confluence to look, more signals to see in a low time frame, because now I'm not going to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is like, it's like an entry time frame, see. So let me be in the 4 hour. That's my analysis there. So if you know about my strategy, what I do is that I do monthly, daily, 4 hour and 1 hour. The reason why I'm not now doing this, I did the monthly already. I have the month level, I have the weekly level. That's why I'm in the 4 hour time frame. So that's why. But I will also share with you how I do the monthly level. It's not quite hard. If you get, it'll be very simple to do the monthly level and weekly level. It's not that complicated, as you all can see. So that's what we are looking. Hopefully we can get this opportunity. Who knows? So we will see. Make sure to. I will also update you. So let me go to next pair. Again, I took this trade last week. Last week was excellent week for me, but last week does not matter. As I always say, past result does not guarantee future success. So let me clean this. Okay. Last week I sold. I bought this market. Yes, you can see this clean double bottom formation. I also made 10K. I made 10K. I shared with my community. I have also video in my YouTube which how I made that money. So for this week, as we can see, we have this level here. So let me adjust this level to this here, around here. For this level, we are looking for two scenarios. The first scenario being that obviously this is a sell trend. We cannot, if the market comes here again, I'm not going to buy again, because hopefully this one will be, most chances high this will be broken, because we don't want to come against the trend. I did last week, it was successful, and this week triple bottom, the chance is very low that it could be broken. So what we are waiting for this week is that the market to pull this zone. It's very very basic. because as I told you, this was the, I don't go to explain this a lot in details, but I will like quite show you. This was the high low for you see here. So if the market comes around this zone, we cannot call this as a low high because this does not break this. So still is this level. So we are waiting for this level, how the market rejects. If the market reaches here, that's the first question. Will the market come to this level? Hopefully, if the market comes here, boom, we don't care, we take our trade here. 1 2 3, boom, we can target here. It's a clean trade. Hopefully we can get this trade this week. It's not a lot, it's like how many pips away? 150 pips away. It could reach me Tuesday. If Monday market keep flying, Tuesday night or Tuesday evening the market, the price could be in this level. If the market continues selling, I cannot involve, I cannot buy from these levels, I cannot do this. This is not my strategy. Weak level. This is a weak level. There's no way I can I will say, oh, I will be interested here. This is a weak level. Weak level, so I'm not interested in that level, so I will be waiting for that level. So if I get this level, that's good. If I did not get, we move on. So we also go to Nagasti pair. Oh, this is quite interesting one. I wanted the price to come here. Wait, the price here, it does not come here. So we see we always miss trades. So let me clean everything now. It's a brief. This is I was briefly set up. So this week I need to make a new one. So let me clear this so you don't, it does not become complicated for the new traders. Okay, for this week, very interesting. You see this level here, we are waiting for this level. If you take this one here, it's a quite strong level, and the price is reaching here. So all eyes on this level here, all eyes on this level. If all eyes on this level, as you can see, price is keep falling. We don't have no trend line here. It broke this trend line, so trend line does not matter this zone. So all eyes on this level. That's all we see. If the price comes here, shows me my criteria for taking this entry, I will definitely take 1 2 3 as always. 30 pips stop loss. Sometimes I can let you, as this is a volatile bear, sometimes I can say 40 pips, sometimes, but always my SL, as if you follow me, my SL is always 30 pips. So that's a good level. If the price comes here next week, that's what I will be taking. And there is another scenario here. Be patient with me. You also have this level here. It's another scenario for taking this trade. That's why you should see, analyze. If the price pulls this level, shows quite a good rejection, quite my criteria I will be trying to buy here. I buy the price here, expecting to go this level. So we are waiting for this one. So hopefully we can get this trade. Actually, it's most likely I will find entry from this trade. Most likely targeting here, you see, targeting that level. It's a quite interesting there, quite. But I will get my Last week I missed it. Hopefully this week I do not miss. So let me see what happens. So the reason was that you can see it's like also if you I use the fib also, if the price now stops here, I don't know it can continue, but if the price stops here, where it stops, it comes back here, it's around my 50% fib level. I only use 3 level: 50, 61 and 70. It's quite simple. And if I'm speaking very fast and you are not getting what I'm saying, because I have to speak very fast, I cannot simply explain one by one, because as I told you earlier on, I have 8 pages to analyze. So if you are new, or you want me to go slow on, you can reach me. I will teach you one-on-one on your pace. I will go on slowly, but now I have to rush. I have no time. So let me go to next page. Yes, I took this trade last week. Interesting trade, but last week does not matter. So let me go. This trade is quite messy one. I don't know what I wanted to come to this level, but I seen some rejection in this level. That's why I took it here. But this week, what I'm waiting is that if the price could retest this level, or maybe this level, but this level is a weak level. Let me mark here weak level, so you should know. Weak level. So this is a weak level. When I say weak, means that it's not strong as this one. You can simply go up your solo. So you don't want to take, if you know you have this is a weak level, not strong level, you should not be taking the trade. But I'm simply doing this just to show you this is weak level. So now there's still hope for this, what we're waiting, and this is my favorite. This is what I'm waiting for. I would be very happy if the price completed this double bottom formation. Excellent. Even below the double bottom, I still do not care. But here will be this. I would prefer the price to come here. This is where I like the price to come here. But the market will not listen to me, and it will not listen to you. That's one thing you should be aware. The price will not listen to you, and it will not listen to me. So you should be aware of that. So let me move on. To next pair. So this is where I like the price to reach. Oh, this is a quite interesting one. It broke this level. What's next? We want to see. So if you look closely, what can you see? If you look closely, what can you see? It's almost reaching a good level. So the market do not always go to good levels sometimes. So this is we cannot miss. You cannot afford to miss when the price reaches this kind of levels. You need to be patient, and you need to take this kind of opportunity. So the price broke this level. I'm not interested in this level anymore. So now let me go to daily so you can see clearly. Let's go to this level. I hope you can all see, right? This level, it's not that far away, it's not that far, just 90 pips. Monday afternoon the price could go here, and this is volatile pair, GBP USD. I'm not yet to explain that. If you don't know how GBP USD moves, there's something wrong with you. You should be aware of this pair. Very volatile pair, and I'm not going to say this is my favorite pair. Actually, I don't like this pair, but I know one thing about this, that it's very volatile. It moves. So see, I cannot even have no trail line. So what we have here is that price reaching a good level. So what we have is that we let us put our sell here. If the price rejects here, of course, when the price reaches here, we will go to low time frame as always. But this is our level. We want the price to come before we even attempt, before we try to do anything. The price should come to that level. If the price did not reach this level, I'm not going to take, I'm not doing nothing. I will watch and see. That we have to be disciplined. And with this massive candlestick on Friday, hopefully this will continue. Mark my words. I know based on experience this will fly on Monday, and Tuesday or Wednesday this will sell. So I will see and wait, hopefully, what happens. If the price decided to drop from this level, I have this kind of levels here. I will see below here. I will be interested if the market do this, maybe some kind of a retracement here, then I will be interested. So let us wait. So we don't know what's happening now, so what, but we need to see and wait. Hopefully we get this sell. This sell is better. This one is also like, it's like more confident. It's showing that it's break of structure. I'm not here, I'm doing a lot, but I'm not explaining a lot. So here the reason that you can see, right, is a lot of break of structure. You can see, right. If you want me to do all this kind of explanation, it's not for this video. This video is a brief explanation of what I'm expecting, what I want the market to come here. If I explain every bear, the reason why I'm doing that, it will be very long video. I cannot do that now, but hopefully you can get the idea. So let me go to next pair now. This GBP cat is happening here. See, I'm going to weekly now. Weekly, what we have? Weekly, we have some kind of break and retest in weekly level. It almost break retest in this level, and there is also another level here, but I don't think this level is very far. It will not reach this week. I know. I'm not sure. Let me not speak. But now is already in a good zone. Already in a good zone for sell. So now what we want to see is that for this kind of bear, what you need to do is that you need to go to low time frame. Let me adjust this trend line to here in case the market decides just to go up, then I will see into here. So for this bear, I will go to low time frame just to show you more explanation. For this level, we can see the price was just keep rising. So what we have here, we have a level here. For this level, I am not trying to buy here. I'm trying to sell here. I'm trying to see if the price break this level, then I can sell. For this kind of when this market goes keep selling, I don't try to buy, because in my belief, in my strategy, 100%, I believe that the trend is ending soon. So I cannot simply buy. All I see is sell. You can disagree with me, you can agree with me, it's up to you, but I know this works for me many times. It works for me very many times. I cannot count. The reason why I say that the trend is about to end. I like to start with the new trend. Once I see the trend is ending, hopefully I say this is not for me, and I try to see another trade to take setup. So that's why I trade all the best. So for this, this will be interesting. Here will be interesting also. So from there, if the price struggle in this zone, is because this is already in a good break and retest level. So hopefully we can see how this one behaves on a Monday morning. On a Monday morning we will see how this one behaves. So not rushing. Another way is GBP JPY. Let me show you. It's keep flying. That's why you need to have a weak levels here. Now I have this level. It's almost there. And also I will be seeing all the confluences in this pair. So let me mark what this. That means I done all this. Okay. And on Monday I will be putting the nearest in my watch list. Now I'm simply analyzing everything. When the market opens, it will open within 5 hours. Today I'm doing the analysis late. I was quite busy, sorry for that. So when the market opens, I will be having like 5-3 watch list, which is near to my entry. Now I have a lot watch list because I am analyzing everything, but this will be, I believe this will be the nearest. So now let me do this. We don't want to, and take this advice from me. If you analyze is based on high time frame, you will have more winners. You may not trade like you may not trade 10 trades a day. You can take 2, 1 or 3 a day, but you will have a lot of winning trades. So this is what I'm waiting for. This will be interesting. Price plus, I know this one and break this one, stops those people here. You see here, and comes back here. I will be interesting for this pair. You know what? Because I know they have taken out this one, stopped out. Now it's going to sell, so there will be a good sell for me. And what I'm saying that it will happen in a low time frame. Be smart, guys. When the market opens, I will be going to my 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute. But now I have to stay for hours because I'm analyzing. That's what my best time frame to analyze. And daily and monthly, weekly, I see the levels. So it's almost there. How many pips away if I do this? 88 pips. This will hopefully, the chance are high it will be there by Monday afternoon. So let me go to another pair. So guys, please make sure to subscribe and like, because you will be benefit a lot of. I'm telling you, I'm not just bragging, but you will benefit a lot from my videos because I'm simply sharing all knowledge. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm just trying to share my knowledge, my experience with the new traders. So if you are new here and you want some help and you are struggling, please make to subscribe and keep up with my videos. And if you don't understand my videos, my strategy is not hard, but that means you are seeing from the YouTube. So YouTube, in one video I cannot explain everything one by one. If I do that, it will take a lot of time of me. So this kind of bear, GBP Jeff, I see nothing. It's not near to levels. The nearest level could be here. It could be the nearest. Even is a weak level, I have to be honest. So just let me leave this pair alone and see what it does. But I wanted this one to come this level, so it does not. It almost came, but it pulls back again. Now it's doing it, and I can see a big 6. So guys, I'm sleepy if you can see, but I have to work. I cannot sleep. So now let me go to the next pair. Next pair is GBPNZD. I go to daily as always. You can see it's a good daily levels here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm in daily. Let me go to 4 hour. So you can see it's making a lot of rejection. So this is like it's almost ready for this kind of setup. You can see I remember This is exactly what I told you that I wanted the GBP Jeff to do. It's exactly do it. Break out, stop at those people. And if you think those one is small, it's like, see how many pips? It's like 70 pips. So, and you can see I'm marking the head of the price. So I think all of those people have been stopped out. So this one will drop. So early Monday morning, if I'm awake, if you are awake, please take this opportunity. The price here, if the and please go to low time for more analysis. That's what I want. Blue that candle is 40 pips. We go to 4 hour. See, this will be a good setup. If you take this and you lose it, you can be happy with yourself. With around somehow here. Or just wait for more confluences if you want, if you like. But it's like a good setup. So we'll see what happens. Or maybe what you can do is that since it's Monday, you don't want to rush. You can wait for this to make it some kind of double top formation, and you can take it from here. Boom, And this will help you to lower your stop loss to 1 to 3, like this. Boom. See, that's what we do. We will not complicate stuff. This is what we do for living. You should know your interest. You should know your exit, everything. And if we go to 1 hour, this kind of trade, see, it's a quiet trade. We know there's a good level. We already have a good level here. It's breakout. Break out these people. Now we have got some kind of made some structure here. Test this level. There's a chance that this one will drop, something like this. So this is what we are waiting for. If we get. If we did not get, we get. So, and also if you miss the entry here, you can also mark this level. If the price break here, make sure its level is the price comes here. Break this structure. Break this one. This one we cannot think it will break because if this one breaks, it will already somehow here. Then retest again, can still sell. So all we see is sell. I'm not buying this one. I have a clean. For me, one thing about me, I'm different. I believe I'm different with other traders that I see the clean trend. I'm selling. I'm not buying. I'm not selling. I have a clean direction bias. So let me see. So let me go to next pair. And guys, if you are watching, please subscribe and like, and stay tuned in my videos. Someone is calling. I cannot answer. I'm busy. I have a clean bias, so I hope you can see my screen. So this is a GBP, GBP AUD. Some of you may be quite confused. Why is he trading all the GBPs? I'm analyzing all the GBPs. It does not mean I will take if I get the opportunity from, for example, if I'm already took a GBP AUD or GBP GBY, I may not take GBP USD because I know if I lose one, I lose all. So I can try two. The best I can do is that I can take 2 GBP pairs at once, but 3 I cannot take. It's quite risky. So for this pair, it's now reaching to double top, and when the price is near to levels, this is where a lot of traders lose money and lose trades, because they think, oh, it's almost near that level, it may sell from here, it may not reach this level. Never say that. It will reach that level, and it may break that level, stop out those people and come back. So always see, this is like key concept. You have to be smart. So for this scenario, how many pips will let me see? Can we get this? It's 200 pips. Okay, we don't want rush. We will see what happens. If the price comes to this level next week, hopefully it's a good level. We will see if we can sell or this bucket. I'm not trying to buy here, but if I'm trying at least attempting some buys, it will be here. So it's the same one. The buys, how many pips away? Here, oh, see, I will be buying here if the price comes here. So good level to buy, but it's not near. It's like 900. So I know this will not happen this week, but the chance of this happening is very near. So let me put this one to my 1 2 3 here. Boom. Let me go to 4 hours so you can see nicely. Okay, here. So even this one is quite volatile, but let me make my SL 40 pip. Go to 4 time frame, see what happens. So, and also I will be watching the low time frame candles when it reaches my entry, but it need to reach my entry in order to get my interest. If it does not go to my level, I'm not interested. I will just play around, do stuff, enjoy, I'm not simply trying to rush anything. So let me go to next page also. Okay, now we are in GBP. We are now in Euro GBP. Euro GBP, quite interesting there. So we want the price to come here. This way we are going to buy. If not, we're not interested. Even if the price comes back to this level, I'm not going to sell for this week. Maybe next week I will try, because all I see is buy. I'm not interested in any sell for this week. So let us see what happens. Hopefully it will come to this level, get the entry we wanted, and you can see this is a zone, because I'm watching this week. Let me mark here. This is a zone because I'm watching this week. It's very important to see the week, because I always tell you again, I explain to you, and I'm also making a very good video about my stop loss, because I have my stop loss should always be above the zone. I cannot simply put my stop loss near to range. I want my stop loss to be above the zone. So if in case it hit my stop loss, I will say I will be happy, I will be satisfied. So this way I wanted to buy the market, to be interested in some buyers. If it comes here, if it does not, who cares? You move on. So it's a quite good trade. If it retests this level, for me to sell, for me to be interested in some kind of sale, it need to show something special. We try to sell here. So I'm not seeing no sell in case it does something special. But the only thing I see is that buying this Euro GBP. Sorry. So, and I know this is a quite triple top, and this market is a sell. Why you coming against the trade? Why you not following the trend? A lot of people are saying that, but we will see who's strong or who's right. And also, I have a level beneath that. If I don't see, when the price comes to my entry now, if I don't see my criteria, I still have a level beneath that. So not rushing, but hopefully it will come to this level, get my entry and make some money. If not, we move to next pair. Next one is the gold. That's one thing, one good advantage of taking trading money based that like this. I trade gold, but see what gold was doing. how can someone trade this? And this is 4 hour time frame, by the way. How can someone trade this? It's a ranging market, and I'm not interested to be part of ranging market. Guys, I'm honest with you. See, ranging market. So what I want now is that gold to break out from this range. This is where I wanted last week. So now I'm not even interested in that, because I believe is this. You know why I'm taking out my entry here? Because I believe when the gold break this range, it will break with good momentum. I believe you can understand what I'm saying. I believe you can understand what I'm saying. It will come out with a good momentum, and it could test this level. But because before this consolidation, I was quite interested to this level, but now I'm not anymore. It could come with good volatility and break this level. But what I'm interested that to break this level and retest this consolidation, then I can sell. That's also good levels. It's also good reason to me to sell this market. So I'm not rushing. Let me remove this box so you can understand. Now why remove? Let me do this, and let me put my. So this is what I want to break the out of this range. It's very quite simple. Break the range, retest the range zone, then I'm going to sell. Quite as basic as that. If this does not happen here, this level, I'm not going. If the price comes here, I will not say it's a double top, because again, explain. If the market breaks up here, it will break with a good momentum, and it will definitely break this level. So I want this fresh new level. That's why one thing about me is that I like something. I like my level to be fresh. I like my level to be fresh. So let me see what happens. Let me go to daily and see what's happening. See, daily, that's a good level. Triple top, as we call it. The reason why I can have a lot of line here, I can go to see support, resistance, I can draw. But once you do that, you're going to lose a lot of trades. You're going to lose a lot of money. And in this game, you don't want to lose. You don't want to lose a lot of money. You don't want to lose a lot of trades. Once you lose, you lose many trades. You could lose your confidence. You could lose everything. You could lose your account. So we don't want that. We don't want that. So what we want, that we want winning trades, and we don't want even to trade take many trades. We want to take 10, 5, 3. What the market gives us. The market is the controller. And in order to do that, you need to have rules which help you in order to be self-disciplined. And I'm making a video about my rules. I'll be uploading tomorrow. Please make sure to stay tuned and watch that video. So let me go and go to next pair, which is for this one. This one is, as you can see, I lost 2 times in this pair. First I lost, second I lost. It was last week, but I made a lot of money last week. I lost 2 times in one pair, but I still made 10K. You know why? Because I was not return trading. I was following my rule. If I lose this, I know I can make my money. I'm not stressed out. I'm not going to cry. Oh, I lose this pair. Why should I lose? How can I lose? I should not lose. I lose this level here. I took the market this level, my first entry, I lost. Then I took here again, I lost. This time my stop loss was not here. I put the stop loss here because I was like, if I could have put 70 people, I could have stayed there in this game, in this trade, and could hit my TB. But as always, I told you, my TB was in this trade. It was actually
30 pip. No, it was at 40 pip. Let me correct that. It was 40 pip, so it actually wicked me, and it came back. And I was quite upset, but I need to learn and move. So what happened last week does not matter. We are new week, but we need to learn from the experience. So this week, what I see from this pair, I lost 2 times, but I still have hope. I still have hope for selling. I still look in the sell opportunity, but already I missed this big sell move. So now what can we do? How can we try to make money with this pair? This level, I was trying to sell here, but I cannot use for buy. Okay, let me adjust this now. What we have now is that a quite good range for this sell to continue. Let me see that again. We have a good range for this one to sell to continue around 270 people. So what we want is that we will see if we get some confirmation in, and that level is a good level. You see, strong level. That's why it's showing this. See, can you see the weekly candle? Now it's hammer. So I lost 2 trades last week trying to sell, but now it's selling. It happens. So now how can I be in this sell trade and make my pips back? That's not complicated. That's quite simple. Let me show you how I will do that. Let me show you. Let me explain it briefly. So let me go to 4-hour time frame now, and I'll show you. So now you can see this one break this structure. Let me use the hat also. Why not use the hat? It break the structure, right? As you can see clearly, it's showing the shift of character, shift of trend. What we want now, is some bullback. I always tell that the bullback is one of the, it's underrated, but you can make money, quite good money, just for bullbacks. Here, if we go to 1 hour, this is how it looks. Okay, so here is a good level. So if the price is now here, we don't know if this one will continue selling or will pull back. We do not know that. But what we know is that we know our level is this one. That's what we want to sell. If we get what we are looking for, and if you think that I'm keep saying that if we see what I want, I teach that in my start sheet 100%. But basically that going to low time frame, seeing the same thing I'm teaching you in high time frame, but I'll also see the same stuff in a low time frame, that see the break of structure, candlestick formation, using the FIP. It's a lot of confirmation, but I will make more videos, free videos, if you can stay with me, or if you want to rush the process, you can subscribe you can buy my course 100%, and you can learn it fast. So let me not talk a lot. So what we do is that we wait for the price to come in and do that. That's all if the price stops here. If it's continuous selling out, I don't care. Some people will say that, why not this level? Let me show you something. Why not this level? That's a weak level. It's a strong level. How I know that's a weak level? Based of experience, nothing special. I have seen that the price reaching this, breaking that level, stop me out and go on this level. So hopefully I can take the trade from this level and put my stop loss. Let me see where my stop loss will be. Before I take the trade, I want to see my stop loss. Oh, my stop loss is a good zone. But you know what would be the best? Taking the trade from here and putting my stop loss above this range. See, that's a 40 pip. That will be also excellent. So let us see what happens. This is the 2 level I want. I want the price. Let me show you. I want the price to pull back this level, sell here. That's the first scenario. The second scenario will be the price to go here and to sell it. That's the way I want. I see selling, no buying. I see nothing to buy here. If you smart, last week I was looking for sales. One time, again another. Two times I was looking for sell opportunity. I lost post trade. Still having the same hope. Still having the same system, because I don't want to change my system. If I lose last week, that does not mean I'm going to lose this week. Again, my famous saying, past result does not guarantee future success. So now let me go to next pair. So I don't want to. So let me go to next pair now, so you can see this clearly. Quite interesting week. Last week I had a good week. Hopefully this week I will have a better week. You always hope for the best. But you manage your risk. But you always hope for the best. Okay. So now, this week I took last week. Again I'm saying. Okay, let me delete here. Last week I sold, as you can see, right? So now the price is reaching this level. That doesn't mean that this time it will hold. I saw last week here that here. This week I have a different idea. I have a different idea. The first idea being that the price to retest in this double top formation and selling from this here. That's the first scenario. That's the first scenario. This is the first scenario here, coming here, breaking this structure, stopping out this, and selling here, and until this. That's the target. See, it's breaking this level. I'm not selling here again. Some people will simply do this and wait the price to come here. I want this one to break this level. I'm saying this. I'm confident that this will break. That's why you need to be patient. I want this one to be broken. I want to take the price here. This is what they call the 100%. This is what I call the 100%. I'm seeing many things which you're not even seeing now. Here. That's the first scenario. What's the second scenario? This one to keep selling. If it comes to this level, shows what I want. That's the first scenario. Scenario. So no, not interested. This level, not interested. It's too weak level. Not interested. No buys. Not interested. Weak level. The second scenario will be here. The price to break this level. I'm basically keeping the gold next for free. People do not even give this kind of service. And people are paying money, but you are not paying me nothing. I'm giving you this kind of knowledge for free. With this simple knowledge, you can make 100 pips, 300 pips, 500 pips next week. And please, if you make those pips, please let me know. Say that thank you. I made those pips because I watched your video. So let me show you the another scenario. The other scenario will be here, break this level. Let me do this. Break this scenario, not too far. No, I don't want to be here. That this level will not be that strong. Some kind of here, then test this level, then that's the second scenario I'm interested. If I don't see those, not interested. Am I clear? Not interested. If I don't see this kind of stuff, I'm not interested. I will be sleeping. Okay, next page. Next page, PNC. Same scenario. I think they see. They look similar, right? See? Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing here. So I already broke this structure here. So what what I want is that it also broke some trend line, if you can see. Let me draw the trend line nicely here. Starts from here. Okay. It broke the trend line, which was until 23 trend line of like 7 days. So this, let me go to 1 hour so I show you more clean and live. Okay. So this one, it can like come here. That's why I wanted the price to come here. It comes here. I will be taking the first scenario. First scenario here. I go to 4 hour. That's good enough. Good enough for me. But if it comes here, this top, I will be interested also. But this is the first one. Hopefully, I'll, I'll get the trade. These two, I'm selling. I'm not buying. I don't see not buy. Selling, 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 selling. That's what I see. Next one is the Euro Jeff. It's clean. I was waiting the price to come last week. I'm still waiting the price to go here this week. Okay, this is what I want. Nothing complicated. So let me go to next pair. 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 So this is Euro JPY. See this I believe this was weekly level. Ooh, see, it broke the weekly level. It's clean. But let me have that weekly level, but also let me have another level in this kind of like brigand test there. So let me go to come to daily and see what's happening here. Oh, no rush. Yeah, for the spell. I'm sleepy, guys. Be patient with me. But I have to do this, so I sleep now with a clean-minded. Tomorrow, wake up and take the stretch. So this way, I wanted the price to come. I hope you can hear me clearly. If you are not hearing me clearly, please say I cannot hear you. And with this massive candles, the daily candle, the chance is high that this will continue. So guys, be patient. You need to learn to 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 be patient. I think this being like, let me say, blue is fine. Let me make it blue. It does not matter the color of this blue, green, yellow, it's the same thing. I'm simply looking for nice colors. Okay, again, this is AUD JPY. See here, same thing. This one is still the same. I want this one to break this level and to test that level, so I can take. Hopefully, I can get. I expected this to happen last week, but not, so hopefully it can happen this week. Oh, this is almost there. It's like AUD cat. See why this is like, it's like very ready. It's like ready. We want the market to open to come this level, then I can take a like break of structure, you know, double top formation, boom. And the market opens, the price comes here, shows what I want the market to do, to show, then I can take. And my SL is above the zone. I will be happy if this one hit my stop loss. Guys, please be patient with me. Please see what I'm doing. It's like not complicated, but you have to understand it. You cannot simply trade, and you cannot simply take the trade from anywhere. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. It will not work for you. It may work for you 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but in the long run, it will not work for you. This is what you want to see. This is how you want to trade, like clean. And also, I have another level. If I lose this level, here where I'm interested, Philip, you only have, if the bear, like two places you want to sell or buy. Two scenarios, scenario and scenario. If you have one bear, like one bear, if you have like let me see, if you have one bear, like 10 scenarios sell, but you're going to lose money and you're confused, like you lose. You have no I mean so you have no someone's calling but I can't answer. I'm explaining. So you need to have a clean vision to see the market. So I want the price to come here, this level. I'm happy to take this trade. If I lose, I'm happy. The next level will be here. Let me see. You can see here is a daily level here. See, I don't have many levels. I'm not simply showing that I have 1,000 levels. 2 level, 3 level scenario. If the price comes here, I'm taking. If not, I'm doing nothing. But the good thing about my strategy is that it works for all the forex pairs, gold, crypto. Same setup. If you're interested to learn, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Okay, next pair. Next pair is AUDHF. I lost this trade. Let me see when was that. What you was having? Last week I lost this trade here. Last week? No, I mean I believe it was previous week. I'm not sure why I have this. Yeah. أنا يقول جراي. هيركب عنكو كان إيش. So I lost the trade here. I mean it was like me, not this week, last week. I'm not sure why I have this, but anyway, let me delete this. So let me see. See, this is a selling one. It's like you cannot buy this kind of stuff because see, no level here. Why you see? It's like what I say that it's like falling knife. So let me see what happens here. So what the best scenario is that let me delete all this. So now the best scenario will be here. I have this level for selling zone, not buying zone because there's no level, but we want to pull back from this levels here. This kind of level will be good. Or if price pulls back this level, I'm interested to sell. As you can see, this is selling trend. Also here, but I will be very careful. For this I have 3 scenario, 1, 2, 3. I don't think this will be in this week. I don't, because this bear does not move that much. I know it's bear, right? Yeah, this and this. If I take here, I lose. I will take here, I lose. I don't think the price will come in this week. And I know there is NFD. I don't, even if there is any, this does not move. That this is not a volatile bear. It's like it moves. We will see. But 200 pips. If I go 1, 2, 3 scenario, I'm happy to lose. If I go 1, 2, 3, that's all. Sell, no buy. So next bear. Oh, this trade this one I wanted to sell from this zone. No, sorry. I saw last week here, get my TB1, then it came back and hit stop loss. But I already managed, by the time this one was hitting here, I managed my trade in MT4. But that means that's why you need this. This is a good example that you should be having levels to take some partial profits. Imagine if I did not take this partial profit for 40 pips. 40 pip means that it was, as you can see, my SL was 40 pip and my TB1 was 40. That means 1 to 1. But I wanted to get the 120 pip from this trade. So this is a good example to take some partial trade. This meant I made some money this trade. I also bought the money I made in my YouTube. You can see last week that this is the one of the trade that helped me to make the 10K. So for this week, let me put here. I'm here. I'm waiting for this double top here. Let me see. Will it reach? Yeah, 100 is possible. It could be Wednesday, Tuesday, or Friday. Who knows? So this double top is the today. Oh yes. This is the selling zone. You know the reason why I tried to do this trade was last week for this level here. See here, this level. It was good level, not that bad because I got 40 from here. So if this week it continues till now, get this double bottom formation here, I would be interested to buy here. If not, I'm not interested. As simple as that. Okay, let me go to okay. This one also I was like, let me show you how this one creates plan. See, it broke this level here. What we expected? Do you have another level here? Let me go to weekly. See, nothing. That means this one is all-time high. Something new. Jeff JBY is all-time high. Jeff JBY is all-time high. Okay, good to know. Good to know. So it's all-time high. So there's no levels here. There's nothing to see here. Empty. So what we do? Okay, let me go ahead. Show you what we do. Since it's all-time high, what we can do is that it's very simple, not complicated. It's very simple here. Let me show you. Since it's all-time high, what we want is that some kind of plug of structure. This level, the price breaks this level to test. Maybe I will be interested. Maybe I will be interested to sell. If not that, I'm not interested. It can do whatever it wants. It can keep flying. I don't care. Okay, cat JBY. Oh, there's a lot, man. Can I finish today, man? See, in 1 hour, this is what I can do. Tomorrow I will be analyzing the index alone. I'm almost done, guys. Be patient with me. And please, if you're watching this video now or you watch later on, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I always try to give my best. For this level, I had this level last week, so this will stay the same. I will still have this level and also add another level. So I will take this level to this here. I will put here another level, some kind of this zone here. If this one keep flying here, this zone or this zone, anyone. But if before anything, this one should reach my level. If not, I'm not interested. I am telling you many times. I only take trade when it reaches my level, guys. Cannot simply trade here to not break the structure. I'm drawing some kind of a basic trend line here, nothing complicated. I'm not doing I'm not doing rocket science. Here is a good zone. If the price goes here, I'll be trying to sell. If not, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. If not, this is the level I'm looking. With this massive daily candle, this level will be tested. I'm telling you. But we will see. I'm not scared. I'm ready to lose. I'm also see, you know, some feeling here, imbalance here. So this is a good level. I'm not sure where it will be, but this is a good level. So let me see. Let me be patient and wait. Cat GPY. Okay, let me go to daily. What's happening here? See this one analyze. I did this kind of analysis a long time ago. Guys, I'm tired. Be patient with me. Please wait. I should write this. Be patient with me, guys. Be patient with me, guys. So this one it broke this level. Now it's trying to retest. Let me see. I told you many times. That's why the reason is why it broke that it wanted to take out people. So now see, as you can see, it's starting new trend. You see, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. It continues. Very basic, guys. Very basic, guys. Very basic, guys. So now what we want is that it's a new trend in 4 hours. So here will be good level for us. Right. And follow this trend, you know, it's like it's a new trend. See here, boom. You can also say that let me put our SL for TB and increase our TB because we have a good range to run. As simple as that, man. As simple as that. We are not complicating stuff. If we are selling here, if we any selling scenario would be in this level here, this 2 level here. I think I should go with this level, but my stop loss should be above this level. It should be, of course, it will be. See, so I before I take the trade, I see my entry, then I look my stop loss. Is stop loss if stop loss is my stop loss in a good level? If the question is no, then I'm not taking the trade. But if the question is yes, I will take the trade. Okay. So there you go. 2 scenario: buy and sell scenario. The reason why I'm buying, I told you, it's a new trend. High, low, high, 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 low, high, high. Because you can see it broke this this high, right? It making. So let me see to flow with the trend. And also, see, it broke this level. Now, and this means CAT-TF is all-time low. Let me say the CAT-TF is all-time low. Guys, who's saying this every day other than me? Because I'm seeing the price in the high time frame. CAT-TF is all-time low. I think I should post this in my Instagram. Should I? Never mind, I'll see if I post. If I get time, I will post. If not, I will not post. So let me move on. Okay, NCDJBY, interest when it broke this level, it's going for this level. So okay, let me make this a zone. I think zone is better. Okay, let me make this a zone. How many people is my zone? Let me see. Yeah, 40 people. Yeah, fair enough. So I would be interested in this zone to sell. I know it looks strange, but there you cannot get better than this. Let me put my entry above the zone, so it can be like in a good zone. And let me make my stop loss because I know this pair is a volatile pair, NCDJB1. As you guys made good money, I was in this cell. I think you have seen it. You can look if you are not seeing it already. You can look at it in my video. I already posted. I was in this cell here. This level I showed here last week. So now This is the level we want. If this level is taken out, we go to next level, baby. Next level, baby. We go to next level, baby. We go to next level, baby. Okay. Okay. I believe it's very clear, guys. Nothing complicated. Am I going to finish, man? I'm super tired. Oh, last one, come on, man. Give me a second, last card. LCD card. I'm very tired, you know. Sometimes you need to, because I didn't do this, should have been done on a weekend. But this one is analyzed already, so it's good for me. Okay, I was waiting the price to go here last week, so still I'm waiting the same level here, nothing changed, you know. It's fine. Here I will be taking 30 pips stop loss, 140 pip TP. If I could even be here, and I could increase my 240 pips. Let's see. Yeah, here. I will take, if the price comes here different, I will look for entering this week. Because you can see this is the what we call here. I told you this many times. I told you this many times. What's this? Let me refresh your memory. This is it's very basic. This one. Low high. So this is the last place for sell. I think we can also do some kind of tree line. I'm not trying to be messy, but you see here. See, okay, what is this? Very good tree line. I think, guys, I'm showing everything, man. I'm not hiding nothing, and I want all of you to make money. This knowledge should be shared, you know. Cannot keep personal. So it's a good level. So, and I like my trend line to be like this. So I will see. Let me make my trend line like. That's why I like my trend line, because I like my trend line to touch the above the wick. But I will see. Okay, last one, guys. Last one. Come on, we can do it. We can do it, guys. Come on, last one. This trade I lost. I think I lost. I'm not sure when was that, but I lost. So as you can see the same scenario happening here. Is this all-time low also? No, it's not all-time low. It's not all-time low. Let me see here. Okay. For a time frame, you know, it's making the uptrend, and so what we want to see here, the price to come to this level. If this one breaks this level, we can confirm the buy trend. But before that, we cannot do nothing. So for good value reason, let me just this here. For good entertain purpose, we should be selling here. We should be selling in this zone. As simple as that, you know. As simple as that. If it breaks here, let me see. If it breaks like this, you know, at this level, we can target for this buy also. It's only if, but before that, I don't think I can see any buys here. What I'm seeing is selling at this level. So that's all. Let me now highlight everything. So yeah, that means I am done everywhere. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you gain a lot of knowledge. I hope you will use these signals for the upcoming week. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And we see you meet again on Monday on a daily live stream. And that's all.